Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Okay, today we are doing beginning sounds, right? The beginning sounds. We are doing beginning sound. What is this? Fish. What is this? Fish. And what is the beginning sound of fish? Round, down, cross. Round, down, cross. And what is this? Cloud. Make a kharvi. Okay. What is this? Leaf. And what is the beginning sound of leaf? L. Stay down, down, and small turn. And what is this? Sun. And what is the beginning sound of sun? S. Like a snake. Like a snake. What is this? Wow. Kite. What is the beginning sound of kite? K. Stay down. Cake in, cake out. K. Okay, what is this? Wow. Umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. 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 Stay down, round, go up, come down, or small turn. And what is this? Arrow. What is this? Arrow. And what is the formation of a? Make a kha, go up, come down, and a small turn. A. And what is this? Grapes. And what is the beginning sound of grapes? G. Make a kha, go up, come down, 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 and turn. G. And yummy, yummy. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. What is this? Watermelon. And what is the beginning sound of watermelon? Wa. What is the beginning sound of watermelon? Wa. Down, up. Down, up. Wa. And what is this? Necklace. Necklace. Sit down, go up, hop, down and turn. Which sound is this? Okay, what is this? What is this? What is this? Pencil. Pencil. Stay down, go up and turn. Yummy. Who likes to eat ice cream? What is this? Ice cream. Ice cream. Small down and turn. Dot. E. Which sound is this? E. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.